Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve grayed out on Instagram app, should just go to settings. Here we can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can enter to Instagram and you can click in this page. You can go to Instagram here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.